Okay, topic is describe an activity you do to keep fit. This topic is in present tense. Please start.
Yes, so today I'm going to talk about an activity that I do to keep myself fit. The activity is CrossFit workout. It's a bit different than strength training. CrossFit workout will not help you in building muscle or gaining muscle. It's going to help you increase your stamina, and it is going to give you an overall fitness. So this is the activity that I do. I usually do it in the morning because I have done some research over it, and I have found out that doing workout in the morning is far more effective than doing it in the midday or at night times, because in the morning your body is like literally eating itself. So that is a very good time to do the workout. The place that I do, so the one thing that is very flexible about CrossFit is that you can do it in any environment. It can be your home, it can be a park, or it can be a gym. Um, how do I do it is so I have divided 5 days of the week in sets, and what I do is that I focus on some specific muscle sets in these days. For example, I would be doing my chest workout on Mondays, and my abdominal workout on Tuesdays, and so on. So this is how I do it, and I try to achieve a 45 minutes a day goal. And
Okay,
this
thank you. This is all fantastic. You used very good vocabulary, appropriate words, and you spoke very fluently as per the topic. Keep it up like this. Now, let's move on. Speaking part 3. What do old people in your country do to keep fit?
I have observed that the elderly people in my country, so when I do my workout in the morning, if I'm at park, I've observed that elderly people in the park usually go for walks. There are small groups of 2 or 3 people. There might be a couple, a married couple, or some friends. They do their gossips, and they work out. They do some morning runs, and okay, this is
All right, this
getting
is
more
good.
complicated.
Fantastic. Very good. Keep it up.
Thank
Excellent.
you.